Hi, this is a tutorial on how to record the MIDI pattern from Step the Sequencer in BITWIG
Mm.
5.3.
Um, yeah, so I know they have the step sequencer already, right? And I have some trouble trying to record the MIDI pattern into a track. And here's how you can do it actually. So for example, in BigWig 5.3, there's all these new drum machines and drum sets as well, right? So drum machine, yeah, and there's some already pre-built ones too with some the new 5.3 version you can see here. I'm just gonna start with this house kit, for example. And then I'm gonna add a step sequencer onto it. Stepwise, yeah, sequencer or whatever it's called. And here, yeah, here we can see there's already some default patterns are available, so we can play this one. Yeah, and yeah, you can see, yeah, and then oh, this sounds awesome. So let me see if I want to record this in the MIDI, right? Let's say I want to start with some mutes, and then eventually work my way up with more different patterns and stuff like that, you know. So the track is recording, and I'm recording everything else on here, right? And you should just I was hoping it should just directly record it into the track, and I was like, wait, what's it? Yeah, okay, then let's see. Boom. I was like, hey, this is empty. It's like, well, where's my MIDI recording? And after finagling and and some messages around some other people and some other YouTubers with their tutorial video on how to use a step sequencer, I was like, oh, okay, this is I don't know how to use this. And then turns out you can't directly record onto the track itself. You have to have another track, and then with a with their yeah with the pattern or the house or the kit itself from the other track as a input. So you can see there's right here the all ends is separated, which is any external keyboard devices and stuff like that. So I can go to V9 house kit, either one with either the sequence itself or the pattern, right? So this one I just want to record from the device itself, right? Yeah, apparently it will be recorded onto a different track. So yeah, so like this, I can record and play, or maybe set it to the beginning, right? So let's say one like slowly ease into it. Starting with the kick drum, for example, right? Record and play. It should go to work out. Yeah, and you can see the MIDI is recorded, but the thing is like yeah, it's yeah, so it's just a MIDI, right? So let's say I want to add back a drum machine to record the um same drum beats. So I can just copy and paste the drum machine from this track onto this track. And since it's gonna be kind of loud, I'm just gonna mute the original track and play the pattern back onto this track, right? Yeah, so the MIDI is recorded how we had it originally. And yeah, you can set the source in with either the step sequencer or the pattern of the no, either the device, which is the drum kit, or the step sequencer itself, which is the pattern. Yeah, and I guess, yeah, and then once it's done, you can go back and do edit, modify your MIDI file, or MIDI, whatever, right? Or you can even just record parts at a time and then go back and do your duplicates and all that other stuff. And that's pretty much it. I mean, like, yeah, just showing how you record MIDI pattern with the sequencer, because it doesn't record directly onto the track. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. And hopefully this video helps. Thank you.